Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to export contacts from our phone to our SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to export our contacts? We need to go, of course, to our contacts application, and we have a few contacts here. For example, Mom is on our phone, and Megan is in our SIM card. Let's throw Mom to our SIM. So manage contacts, export contacts, export from what? Export from all contacts to internal storage, for example, or export, and all the files have been exported, but that's not what we want. So we can also move contacts from phone, Mom, done, to our SIM card, yes, move, and one contact has been moved, and that's it. Now our Mom is in the SIM card and no longer on the phone. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.